group of 33 Marines, sailors, and civilians participated in a Satellite Marine Corps historic half marathon aboard Forward Operating Base Dalaram 2 in Afghanistan on May 20th.
All right, march, get set, go.
In order to run before the midday heat this time of year in Afghanistan, runners woke up as early as 4:30 in the morning to prepare for the 13.1 miles. While it was many degrees cooler in the early morning than in the afternoon, some runners still felt the desert heat while they ran.
I was thinking how dry the air was and how thirsty and how good some water at the end of the race, at the end of the finish line would be. It's good to go out with your friends and do something that's healthy and it's a fun activity.
The participants each received a medal and a t-shirt for running. Captain Patrick Sullivan, the winner for the male division with a time of 1 hour, 37 minutes, and 21 seconds, and Navy Lieutenant Rebecca Murphy, the winner in the female division with a time of 1 hour, 48 minutes, 51 seconds, also received certificates and a gym bag full of goodies.
I think a lot of people are just running against their previous times or whatever, so as long as people did better than their last time, I think kind of everyone's a winner, you know what I mean? I was just trying to beat 145. That was my previous time, so happy that I did that.
The long run tested the endurance of those who participated.
I'm feeling good, besides my knee hurting a little bit, but other than that, I'm good.
While some were participating in order to finish in first place, others had their own reasons for running.
My wife's going to do the 10K back in the States, back in DC. So hopefully that all goes to success. That's a goal for her to do the 10K, goal for me to do the marathon. Never ran 26 miles.
The competitors all walked with pride after finishing the marathon. Corporal Ed Gallo, Forward Operating Base Dalaram 2, Afghanistan.